So we are in Maasai land. We came looking for a placement and we were successful. We got 2 placements. One is for medical, the other one is for teaching. And on our way back, these guys decide to show up. That is the CEO, Mr. Sam.
Yeah.
What's happening?
We're in the park. We're basically in the park, and we have livestock. We have domesticated animals.
Yeah, right there.
Giraffes. How awesome would that be?
That's the Maasai guy with his animals on his way back.
You see these ends?
Yeah.
Yeah, you step on these ends.
There is so many giraffe.
How did you get up there?
Magic.
Can I take a picture of you up here?
Cool.
Volunteers that are gonna be placed here are gonna be so psyched up. It's amazing.
This is so amazing.
Oi,
Whoa.
sisi tumeisha.
It's the rest of the marafiki team. All excited.
Wametuma bomu. Unaona wanafanya testing ya atomic bomb huku Agarieni. Let me zoom you guys in, eh?
All right.
Great stuff
You zoom
right
in?
here.
Where is the flash?
Can you see my black face?
Go on its own.
Yeah,
Can you see my dark face?
here we go.
All right.
That's what friends are for.
Yeah, that's more like